Hey team, so just want to take a second and just highlight the Turkish Get-Up, break it down into a little bit slower movement for you, just to kind of piece through some of the individual segments that you can break down and focus on different parts of the movement if this is something that you're trying to improve. So first and foremost, the setup. One, always be careful when you're picking up the kettlebell, dumbbell, whatever it is you're using. Right? Don't just kind of sling it up there, especially once you're in this kind of seated position. Once it's up right here, make sure that you have the opposite leg. So dumbbells in my left hand or the weights in my left hand, right leg goes straight. From here, set that free hand out to the side. Right? The further out it is, the more assistance it's going to give you on that push. Right? As you're driving up. And then from here, right, it's an easy, or not easy, but small transition up to the hand, right? So from there, we're just pushing off to the elbow, getting that hand underneath and making sure that shoulder's locked in. The weight is still locked out, and I'm almost kind of creating a line from one hand to the next. Then from here, this is the key here, is bridging up as high as I can to make room for that free leg, or that extended leg to sweep under. And then it's just walking the hand in, walking the other foot in, ankle under knee, and then once I get to here, it's just a nice stable stand up. All right, and then back down. All right, reverse that step. All right, bring the hand down to stabilize. Sweeping the leg through into the seat. All right, lowering down to the elbow, and then nice and controlled. Back down to the floor. Okay, so again, you can break down those movements to work on individual segments if you find that you're getting hung up or caught up along the way.